Right, good evening boys and girls. I've loaded this up with a heap of tobacco in tubes. I've got it set on auto. I actually had it on filler 2. I've changed that back to 1. I'm having trouble with these memory cards on this phone. It seems when I go to landscape they fail. So I'll run this into a video editor and I'll turn it back to landscape and make it fit better. Anyway, I'll start the timer on this and we'll see how many jams and things go wrong. It also came with a couple of these little rubber thingies that fit in, that clamp the tubes. The other nice thing is the LED lights in this tray make your life a hell of a lot easier. So I'll start this and then I'll try not to destroy this video and I'll get the timer going at the same time. Alright, we'll just see what happens. Right, we're getting near the end of this. I had a few misfeeds, about 4, which were crook tubes. We're running out of tobacco. So I'll stop this timer in a minute. We've done 58. It's really good. I think the whole trick with this is to just do, here we go, we're out of tobacco. I think the trick with this is to not run this on auto like I've just done. You can't keep up with it. Just do 20. Empty them out of the tray, or maybe I build a bigger tray. I think that tray's just a good fit. It's magnetic, it sticks there. So all in all, I'll give this 10 out of 10. I'll go back to my timer. We'll see if we don't lose this. Right, I'm not quite sure what happened there. Got to the end of it. It did 59 in about 8 minutes. I had some jams, which are those in there, about 4 of them, which is to be expected. I think in future is, instead of having it on auto like I had, and I had that tobacco pretty filled up, just do a pack of 20, empty the tray out, and then restock it with tubes and tobacco and do another 20. And it's proven to be successful. I really like it. So the question is now, is how long will it last? Because if it only lasts for a couple of thousand cigarettes, then that $1,000 that I've just spent on this is not worth the money. So there we have it, boys and girls. Yeah, 8 minutes to do 59, including a few jams and clear up. So probably realistically, it was probably only about 7 minutes to do 59. All right, there we have it.